Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. In this video, I'll be explaining you how you can add the internet speed meter on the notification bar in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So if you're first time watching this video, subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of the Redmi Note 8 Pro device where you can find plenty of videos which are uploaded on the Redmi Note 8 Pro alone. So first you need to go to the settings of the mobile phone. Here you can find the display. Under the display, you need to go to the notch and status bar. So here you need to click on the option called show connection speed. So in this way you'll get the real-time network speed meter on the top, as you can see here. So which is very useful if you want to just check the how is the internet speed in different applications. So this is a kind of way to check the internet speed. So this is how you need to enable. And another important tip is that you need to download the other application from the Google Play Store, so which is called Internet Speed Meter Lite, so which is having very low memory. You can download. So as you can see friends, under 1 MB the size of the application, so which will give you the mobile data and Wi-Fi usage on today. As you can see right now I use the 59 MB of Wi-Fi usage and 0 on the mobile data. So if you tap on this, you'll get the complete list for the past 30 days on what days you have used the mobile data highest, and total will be calculated. So this is a very good thing, and you can calculate pretty easily how much data you're utilizing every day. So this is a very simple application. There is no ads or nothing in this application. So if you want, you can just try this application, Internet Speed Meter Lite. So this will support in any Android device, and this is how you can enable the notification on the top internet speed meter. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends, and do check the links in description for the playlist of the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.